In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, every investor needs a trusted platform. Welcome to BingX Crypto Exchange, your gateway to a world of digital currency opportunities. Today, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of setting up an account. Hello, crypto enthusiasts. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more insights, tips, and tutorials on the crypto universe. Now, let's get started. First things first, head over to BingX's official website. The link is in the description below. Once there, click on the Sign Up or Register button. Fill in your details, name, email address, and a secure password. Remember, always choose a strong password. After filling in the required details, you might need to verify your email address for security purposes. BingX values the safety of its users. Once your email is verified, it's time to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, you'll be asked to complete your profile. Add additional information, like your country of residence and preferred currency. This ensures a smooth trading experience tailored just for you. Lastly, you'll need to verify your identity. BingX takes compliance seriously, adhering to global regulations to combat fraud and ensure a safe trading environment. And voila! You're now a proud member of BingX Crypto Exchange. Ready to explore, trade, and make informed decisions in the crypto world. Remember, the crypto landscape is vast and ever-changing. Always stay informed, trade responsibly, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with fellow crypto enthusiasts, and comment below with your BingX experiences. Until next time, happy trading.